Question 11a, solve the inequality 3x plus 2 is less than or equal to 8. Pause now, try the question and unpause to see how it's done. You're told in the question that this is an inequality. This sign here is an inequality sign, it's not an equal sign. It's similar because it shows a relationship between 3x plus 2 and 8. If you don't know how to do questions with an inequality sign in them, just treat it like an equal sign and solve for x that way. It won't always work. For this question it will work. It doesn't work when you have minuses multiplying and dividing. So the first thing you need to know is what you're being asked to do. Well, what you're being asked to do is solve for x, solve the inequality. So you need to find out what number x is less than or equal to. We know that 3x plus 2 is less than or equal to 8. Our final answer will look like this. X is less than or equal to, and then a number here. So that's what we need to do. And at the moment we have 3x and plus 2 on one side. So we need to get all of our numbers on one side, x on the other side, and then we'll have our answer. So the first thing to get rid of is this 2. We'll use the inverse method. On the left we're adding plus 2. So we'll do the inverse of adding, which is subtracting. So we'll subtract 2. So 3x plus 2, and we'll subtract 2. So minus 2 is less than or equal to 8, and we've subtracted 2 from the left side, so we must also subtract 2 from the right side to keep our inequality values the same. And now we simplify. Plus 2 minus 2, well, 2 minus 2 is 0, so this side will become 3x plus 0, which is just 3x, so we can just write 3x. 3x is less than or equal to 8 minus 2, 6. We don't know what number x is standing for, but we do know that 3 times x, or 3x, is less than or equal to 6. So we continue doing the inverse. The inverse of multiplying is dividing. X is being multiplied by 3 at the moment, so now it needs to be divided by 3. So we'll divide by 3 to both sides. So 3x divided by 3 is less than or equal to 6, also divided by 3. So we don't change the values of the sides. 3x divided by 3, well, 3 divided by 3 is 1, so we're just left with 1x, which we write as x. So the number x, the unknown number x, is less than or equal to 6 divided by 3, 2. And that's our final answer. We have x on one side and we have 2 on the other side. So we don't know exactly what number x is equal to, but we do know that x is less than or equal to 2.